This is a tutorial for WordPress using the WordPress SEO by Yoast plugin. It helps you with your search engine optimization, and we'll explain what it does and how you need to use it. Here we are on the Adam Chamber Music Festival website, and currently there is no SEO set up on this particular page. At the top here in the tab is the HTML title, and what it's done is it's put in the default. It's put in the name of the page and then the name of the site, and we would like it to be a little more tailored than that. So what we're going to do is you log into the back end of your website, and I have that open here, and from the dashboard you go into the pages and then choose to edit the page that you want to change the title. So here's Peter Nage's page, and the first thing we want to look at is this permalink here. It takes the title of the article, puts a hyphen between any words, and this gives you this piece of the URL here. The other thing it does is by default it'll take this title, pop it in up here, and then add the site name, and we don't want that. Here is the editing window. Remember, you can stretch that down to have a look, and underneath that is the WordPress SEO by Yoast. You can see what it's picked up and is using as the title, but we want to have something slightly different. In the description you want something that might grab somebody's attention if they find this web page in a Google search. It's what turns up in the Google search box. So what we've done here is add a few more keywords in: Peter Nage, guest pianist, Adam Chamber Music Festival 2012. Now when you're looking on a Google search, and I'll show you here, so I've just done a search for Peter Nage New Zealand, and I've come up, it's brought up this page, Peter Nage Adam Chamber Music Festival. So this is what the HTML title was. When we save this page here, it will go to Peter Nage, guest pianist, Adam Chamber Music Festival 2012. Just notice the description here. It's picked up a description even though we haven't put it in yet, and it's actually quite a good description. Notice how there aren't very many words there. Go back into editing our page and pop it in here, which is the meta description. So that will be, this will be, once we've tailored this, it will be the description. You see that it's just, by default, it picks up the first sentence, the first beginning of the sentence. So it's picked up this much. What we need to think is, can we improve that? We want Hungarian. So what might be quite good is Peter Nage, a Hungarian pianist, plays with the New Zealand String Quartet at the Adam Chamber Music Festival 2012. Down here it gives you that you've got it suggests that you use 156 characters or less, and we've used less than that, so that's good. Up here it suggests that you use 70 characters or less, and we've used 10, we've got 10 left to go, and so that's good too. It just depends what keywords you want to get in there for the page, and a whole lot of other things. But if you just go on, make sure you include the H1 title, make sure you include what's in the page title, and some keywords out of the first sentence, and that will be really helpful. So once you've done that, you update your page, and then we'll go back to the front end of the website, refresh the page, and here now we have in the title bar Peter Nage, guest pianist, and it will have the full name up there. This won't show up in the Google searches until the website has been crawled again. You can tell when it was last crawled if you just click over here and click on the cached, it tells you that it was last crawled on the 25th of May 2012, so it should come up again soon. There we go, and that's all you need to do, and then go back to the next one and do the next one. For more information or help, please contact Brendan Montgomery or Jan Blythe at Avoca Design, and the details are below. You might like to check out our online training video tutorial library at www.avocadesign.co.nz in the training section.